Let me start with a sweet talk. AI is seductive. It whispers, I'll write your emails. I'll run your business. I'll make you millions while you sleep. And you, because you're tired, broke, and desperate, believe it. But let me ask you this. If AI right now can already write love poems, negotiate contracts, and actually edit TikToks better than you, where does that leave you? Are you the entrepreneur that uses AI to scale? Or are you the employee who's eventually going to be replaced by it? Because truth is, there's no middle ground, there's no gray area here. There's only predator and prey. Decide quickly. I'm Wangui Muithathi, entrepreneur, finance coach, and the woman who will tell you the truth about your money while sipping coffee like it's holy water. And today, I need you to strap in, because in a few minutes, I'll be stepping into the future with you. The kind of future that would either make you filthy rich or, if unfortunate, completely irrelevant. Stay with me. Let's talk about the dark side, the ambush. Here is what they don't tell you. AI is not some cute little assistant, like those assistants you have in the office. Beautiful, pretty, nice skin, blah, 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 whatever. AI is not that. It's a loaded gun in the wrong hands. Think scam on steroids. Imagine an AI-generated phone call that sounds exactly like your mother, saying, "Sweetheart, I lost my M-Pesa PIN. Can you send me 20K? And you, out of guilt, hit send. Boom, gone. We are about to enter an economy where the biggest threat to your money is not even inflation. It's disinformation. And if you're not paranoid yet, you should be. And that's not even worse. You want to know what's more scarier? It's not these things we keep telling you that AI will replace you. Nah. It's you outsourcing your brain to AI. We're seeing it. People are letting ChatGPT run their businesses, pick their investments, plan their side hustles. But my dear, here is the truth. If you outsource all of your thinking, you are not building wealth. You are building dependency. AI is like alcohol. You have a little, it makes you bold, but too much of it, you become reckless. And yes, I said it. If you're not careful, you will wake up one day and realize that you're not able to think. You don't know how to think. You don't know how to sell. Worst case scenario, you don't know how to survive. All this because you let the robots think for you. Have you ever asked yourself this question? What happens when the system that you desperately depend on collapses? What happens to you? What happens to that business of yours? What happens to that side hustle? How addicted are you? But let's not be too dramatic, okay? AI is not just gloom and doom. So, because truth is, it's also one of the biggest financial opportunities of our lifetime, right? It's a gold mine. This is the other side of fear, okay? Here is a play. AI lowers costs because you can run a global business from Nairobi with just a laptop, okay? AI multiplies output. You'll find someone being able to launch 5 online products in a month instead of 1. AI doesn't sleep. You can automate sales funnels, customer service, even your content schedule. Okay? The entrepreneurs who will win are not the ones who will fight AI. It's the ones who ride it like a stolen boda boda. Okay? Question here is, how do you ride it without crashing? Of course, you need a strategy. The money armor in this AI age. Here is how you protect your money or your bag in this age of AI. 1. Build AI-proof skills. This can be creativity, storytelling, emotional intelligence. And do you know, my dear, the one thing that AI can't steal is your voice. Unless, of course, you sell it to TikTok filters or you want to clone it and sell it. Things are just moving too fast. Another way you protect your bag is you becoming the translator. Don't just use AI. Become the person who actually helps other people understand and trust it. That's where the big money is. And 3, own assets, not gigs. If AI can replace you, then it means you don't own a business. You own a side hustle in disguise. So, build digital products, systems, or even platforms. Things that compound over time. Okay? Because, listen, the winners of this game will not be the hardest workers. They'll be the smartest architects. So be strategic. Let me drop my final truth bomb. I'm playing judge here, and this is my verdict. AI is not your boss. It's your steroid. I say this because if you're already lazy, broke, and sloppy, AI will bury you very fast. But if you're disciplined, bold, and opportunistic, AI will make you unstoppable. So don't just sit there asking, will AI take my job? Wrong question. The real question is, will I use AI to take over the world? Or will I just sit and watch AI take me out? Because I think I'll have to give that AI an uppercut before it takes me out. I'm willing to do what it takes. But I can't speak for you. At the end of the day, your money, you move. This was Wangui Muithathi, your financial coach, your digital hustler, and most of all, your reality check. If you want to armor up for the AI age, grab my ebook and systems linked below. And if this content saved your brain cells, buy me coffee. Link also below. Until next time, stay rich, stay paranoid.